Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing 1 to 3 knives, small for detail, medium for edges, large for backgrounds, because tool size changes mark quality. Once picked, load a thin bead of paint about 1/8 to 1/4 inch on the blade so it spreads predictably. Heavier loads smear. Place the blade at a 20 to 45 degree angle to the surface and make the first deliberate pull stroke. You feel paint resistance and can modulate pressure to vary line thickness and texture. Once you have a base layer, decide wet on wet versus letting paint tack for 15 to 30 minutes. Wet on wet blends smoothly while tack adds defined ridges. You then exploit blade geometry. Use the flat for broad scraping, the edge for thin lines, and the corner for incisive texture. Rotate the knife to change marks. Make multiple passes with varying pressure, light to feather and blend, firm to lay a ridge, so you control paint build and the interplay of light on texture. To finish, refine joins and transitions. Use a clean, lightly loaded blade to sweep once across seams so edges read as intentional. Once done, remove unwanted excess with the correct solvent on a rag for oils, water for acrylics, but do it sparingly to avoid lifting. If you see cracking or skinning, make your next layers thinner and add a flexible medium. This prevents stiffness. If problems persist, scrape back to sound paint and rebuild with thinner passes to restore cohesion.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.